Hey, Nikki Brown here. So today I'm making some kale with peppers and onions. And in a moment, I'm going to add my just egg and attempt to make an omelet. The first time I made just egg, I was very successful at making an omelet, but I haven't been able to make an omelet since. So I'm going to give it a try again today, and I'll let you see how it turns out. So for seasoning, I'm adding garlic, black salt to give it that egg flavor, cayenne pepper to give it a little kick, black pepper, and salt. Okay, so I decided to have this with a tortilla, so I just toasted it up a little bit. Let's see. I didn't do the inside as much, just kind of got it a little cooked a little bit. And then I decided to add some tomatoes, so I'm going to go ahead and start building this. Okay, here we go. And I also decided to add a little bit of my Sir Kensington's classic vegan mayo. So here we go. I can't wrap it and hold the camera at the same time, but you get the idea. I hope this helps. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.